Hi, I'm Monica Villalobos with The Brokerage, and welcome to my newest listing at the Domain in Anaheim, directly across the street from the Anaheim Packing House, where you've got plenty of restaurants to eat, drink, and be merry. Let's go check it out. Come on in. Come on into the kitchen. Perfect for entertaining. You've got this large center island with granite countertops. Also, white thermofoil cabinets with plenty of storage and stainless steel appliances that come included with this home. Or grab a cup of coffee and take it to your private patio. Come and relax in this comfy living room. And I hear this TV is included too. This home is filled with custom features, including this custom built-in and exposed brick. Come down the hall to your private master retreat. This master has plenty of closet space, with one closet and a walk-in closet and dual sinks and your walk-in shower. Thanks for visiting my newest listing here at the Domain in Anaheim. For more information or a private showing, you can contact me at the information below. See you later.